The Bissell CrossWave OmniForce Cordless Multi-Surface Hard Floor Cleaner and Mop is a versatile cleaning tool designed by Bissell. It combines vacuuming and mopping functions into one cordless device, providing up to 30 minutes of continuous cleaning. This model offers a dedicated dry vacuum mode for enhanced suction on dirt, crumbs, and pet hair, making it ideal for various household messes. This cleaner supports multiple floor types including tile, sealed wood, laminate, and rugs, ensuring thorough and safe cleaning across surfaces. It features deep sanitization capabilities that eliminate 99.9% of bacteria on sealed hard floors with the included Bissell Hard Floor Sanitize formula. Maintenance is simplified by a tangle-free brush roll that resists hair wrap and a self-cleaning cycle that rinses the brush roll automatically after use. Ideal for busy households with diverse flooring and pets. This device streamlines cleaning by combining powerful suction, mopping, and sanitizing functions. The hassle-free upkeep and cordless design make it a practical choice for those seeking efficient and comprehensive floor care.